Well, I kind of feel bad because the carburetor still needs to be tuned since they have it all out of whack. But I mean, I'm able to ride it because I'm a clutch expert, but this is your first time, so it might be a little difficult. Your first time ever riding a clutch?
Yeah.
Well, you act really cocky, like you. Every time
I'm not. I'm scared.
Oh yeah, and the brakes don't work very well. Please don't get whiskey throttle, because the front brakes don't work. I got new shoes coming. The rears only just kind of slow you down if you stomp on them. Alright, don't let it stall. I need to bring the bike out in the field so you don't get hurt. Like, so you don't run into anything, alright? Pull that in. Where are your gloves?
Oh, they're inside.
If you get scared, just let off the throttle, okay? Like while you're riding around. This clutch lets out right at the end.
Yeah.
Okay, that's better than whiskey throttling it.
Oh, shit.
Hey, whenever you shift down, kind of shift down a little faster because you keep grinding the gears.
Yeah, I heard it.
Alright, pull in the clutch. Pull in the clutch. Because I'm trying to tell you to stop.
It's scary. Stop it.
It is scary?
Yeah.
It's no, like, don't think of it any different as the old one. The only thing you gotta do when you're stopping, just do the same exact thing, but you're just pulling in a lever, okay? It's the same exact thing. Don't overthink it, because then you just scare yourself. Completely have it in. Don't worry about it, just get used to taking off using a clutch right now, alright?
Okay.
This is exactly why I wanted an electric start, to teach her how to do a clutch. That lever might be out there a little bit too far for her hands. Holy shit, you just did your first wheelie.
Who keeps doing this? It ain't me. Why is it still going?
What do you mean? You didn't stall it.
Oh. So I can just keep going?
Yeah. Oh shit, boys. Second time taking off with a clutch. Yeah, you took off. To get some prospects, or I could like cut the foam out. They pinch my nose too.
I'm like riding with my mouth open.
Yeah, that's why I don't like 100%. Keep practicing taking off, doing laps and stopping, and then once you master that, then we can bump you up to shift it into second. Oh shit, watch out! I thought you were gonna get scared. Oh, you did 2 wheelies in one. Quit trying to show off and just ride it, okay?
Okay.
I'm just joking. That was a prank. Dalton's right there and also right there.
That girl keeps passing.
What girl? That's Dalton. Do you not read the jersey?
Dalton keeps passing.
I bet if he would have rode like that yesterday, he would have won.
Shut the fuck up.
Gets wrapped around the fucking wheel.
It actually hurts my foot a lot. I got a nail through my foot at work today.
Why'd you step on a nail?
Like I did that shit on purpose.
Was it a rusty one or a new one?
It was a Mexican one.
So what's that mean? Do you get tetanus or
I got
gym nachos?
I got gym nachos with it.
I got chicken, cheese, and rice all over my foot.
The clutch coming out when it gets infected, the rice comes out.
No, it's the cheese sauce. All right, guys, we're shifting into second. We're going into number 2. Had to move the shifter up a little bit to get her food under it. More gas. Okay. Or show me I'm wrong. Pretty sure she just got in second. Oh yeah, for sure. She's hauling the mail.
Do I shift down when I go back to first?
Yeah, just keep going. Oh.
See me doing it?
Yep. Give it a little gas.
Oh,
okay.
fuck.
Well, damn it. I seen you pulling the clutch to downshift too.
Aren't you supposed to?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, I didn't tell you, so I'm glad you just assumed. Almost. That was your first.
I was getting too confident.
Yeah, this bike is not slow, is it? It's got a little bit of balls, doesn't it?
Yeah, I felt that.
But whenever you do that, don't just. You did good. You didn't just lean back, whiskey throttle, and wreck your shit. So.
You act like I've never ridden a
I
bike
know,
before.
but you've never ridden one with a clutch. It's a little different. I'm almost 100% sure she's in like 3rd gear right now. Downshift again.
Huh?
On. Yeah, you were in 3rd gear.
Yeah, I was like, why does it sound
Why is it revving so low but going so fucking fast? I'm barely giving it any throttle. I'm doing like 28 over here. Oh, is your hand cramping up, or is it your
Yeah.
forearm or your hand?
It's like right here.
Oh. From using this clutch? This
Yeah.
clutch is literally nothing. Monster Pumpkin Spice October Spray.
Okay, no. Is it caramel or caramel?
It's salted caramel.
Okay, it's caramel.
Well, it says car on the front of it, so. Where's the E after the R? Oh, okay, there isn't one. This was a pit vehicle at Gatorback, November 21st through 26th of 2016. Have some queer bait. It tastes like shit. Mmm. Horrible. It tastes like poop. Still hate it. He called the shit poop. It's poop again.
Yeah. I didn't mean for you to pour it out, dumbass.
Oh, you still wanted it?
Well, how do I get out of the way?
You just start it back up and then take off and come over there.
Are you videotaping me doing this? Yeah, dude, that one was dope. Nah. I'm really mobile down here too.
You don't even care.
Did you have fun?
Yeah, it wasn't as hard as I thought it would be.
Wait till I get you in the woods.
Oh yeah?
That's where the hard stuff.
Hard starts.
Well, you've just been taking off. I mean, you were doing good, but wait till you have to take off like kind of up a hill.
No. I'm hungry.
All right, let's get some food. Come on, Rex. Come on, PP boy. The yellow PP monster.